Hello everyone, it's your boy Common Sense. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and also participate, so leave a comment. Alright, so one of my users was asking me, or one of my followers was asking me if what's going on with disinvestments, right? The one in Antares. So here it is. As of today, I've accrued about 10,190, and it's not been over 2 weeks yet, so that's not bad for that time frame, right? One thing you have to keep in mind is you can't withdraw this money until the time frame expires that you freeze the money, right? As you can see here, they do let you withdraw some. I can withdraw this. That's available in for me to withdraw, right? So all I have to do is just transfer it in the bonus wallet, and I take it out. But not bad. That's not very bad. The next one is this crypto assets that we have here. This is just not encouraging for the time being, because I know some of you seeing this, you wouldn't want to put your money in there. And I'm not trying to scare anybody away, right? But this do happen with crypto. You have to have that spirit of, of zero fear, right? I do not have any fear. I just one thing that I don't have any, right? I don't have any fear of losing money. To me, money is just a tool that can enable you to do more. All right, and if I don't have it, I'll work harder, and I'll try to get stuff done anyway, right? So I don't define myself with money. So that's why I have this ability to put money in anywhere without being afraid, right? I'm not worried about losing it. So initially there was 12K in here. The market took it down to half of that, a little bit over half of that. So what we're expecting is one of these days something is going to skyrocket up there, and we're going to land on the moon, and we're going to take vacations on the moon. But something has happened before that I feel like I need to share on this channel. All right, for some of you who need encouragement investing your money in cryptocurrencies. I'm not a financial advisor, by the way. That's just a disclaimer. But a few years ago, 2018, myself and my brother invested about close to $8,000 in cryptocurrencies, right? And we bought a whole bunch of Dogecoin, more than $1,000 or more than $2,000 worth of Dogecoin. All right, I know you're thinking that, oh, you guys are millionaires now and stuff. No, we're not millionaires. All right, just recently when we decided that we want to open that account, because what we were doing is we'll put the money in there and then lock the account and throw the key, something like that. So in 5 years we'll check it again. And when recently Doge actually skyrocketed, we waited for a little bit and decided that, hey, we don't have to wait the whole 5 years as we planned. So we decided that let's go in there and open it up and start living that life. But what had happened was the platform on which we bought those holdings collapsed. It was Cryptopia. So we didn't even find out. We had no idea if Cryptopia was still afloat. So Cryptopia happened, and we saw all kinds of news. It says they went to court or whatever. So we don't even know how much we were worth when that happened, right? And recently when Doge went up to the moon, I'm guessing if Cryptopia was still alive today, I'd be a multi-millionaire, like several tens of, that kind of thing. 9 figures, something like that. But you know, it was not a bad idea doing what I'm doing now, right? Like just buying a whole bunch of Satoshi coins and holding on to them for a very long time, hoping that one day something good is going to happen. And just recently, Shiba did the same thing, right? For those of you who invested in Shiba, as a matter of fact, I have friends who made millions in Shiba. I'm talking about friends that we meet every day that made millions in Shiba, that made several hundred thousands in Shiba. And then there are other coins just recently that hit the 100,000x, and there was also Hawk. There was a whole lot of them. So I wasn't at the time. I wasn't really paying attention to all of these because I knew that I had a whole lot holding for me in Cryptopia. But it's a bad idea not to check every now and then, right? What's going on? So learn from me. If you have it in there, at least check it every once in a while. But you do not need to be afraid if it's going down or up, because the worst that can happen is that you lose all the money, right? That's $10,000, or maybe you have like just $50 in there. The worst that can happen is that you lose all the money. But it could also go the other way, where just one of them hit the 10,000x or the 100,000x and you become a millionaire instantly, right? So because of such reasons, I don't even worry about losing the whole thing, because I know what it's worth if it goes the other way. So learn that, okay? Well, but this is where I end. I will update a video. I'll do another video with other investment. I have plans to invest another 60K. So look out, coming soon. All right, smash that subscribe and the like button. Comment, comment, and comment, and comment. I don't make too many videos, and the YouTube algorithms isn't favoring me at the moment. So if you're commenting and liking and sharing and stuff like that, hey, I might hit the map one day. The moon, that's all. I'll go to the moon on YouTube, YouTube verse. Anyway, you have a good one. Thanks for watching.